Hi, and welcome to my first Shiny app. Um, this is titled Tropical Storms in the North Atlantic because that's the information we will be viewing today. So the first thing we want to do is enter a year from 1975 to 2021. I'm going to go ahead and enter 1998, for example. All I have to do is type it in. Now I'm viewing all the storms that occurred during the 1998 season. Okay, if I go ahead and select Facet by month, now I'm viewing all the storms in the year 1998 in the month that they occurred. And if we look below, this table provides us with all the storms that we find up here. And it provides us with their name, their start date, end date, and max wind speeds, and the minimum pressure that each storm reached. As you can see, some of these storms start and end within the same month. So Bonnie, for example, does that. But others start and end in different months. So when we go ahead and facet by month, those storms with that start and end on different months will be split between those months. And in one month, you'll find a portion of its trajectory, and the other month, you'll find the other portion of its trajectory. Okay, the next thing is visualized by wind speed. And this basically just allows us to see how the speeds for each storm changes. And it's all measured by knots. So if we look at this dark blue one, for example, you can see that it starts off with smaller points. And if you follow its trajectory, the points get bigger and bigger. And then if you keep following it, the points get smaller again. So when the points get bigger, that's an indication that the speeds are increasing. And when they start to get smaller again, the hurricane is dying down and the speeds are decreasing. Okay, and the next thing is, right now I have a view of all the storms that occurred in the year 1988. But if I'm only interested in the major hurricanes, I will go ahead and select this one. And now there's less storms to view because these are the only ones that were categorized as 3, 4, or 5, right? So those are the major hurricanes. Okay, and the last option is to add water. And this basically just adds color to the background, which is supposed to be representative of water, since this is supposed to be a map. Okay, and now I can go ahead and select all of them. And now I have all the features included. So it's faceted by month. I only have the major hurricanes, but if I don't want to view just the major hurricanes, I can go ahead and deselect this. I have all the storms for that year now. They're faceted by month, and I can see how their speeds change. And yeah, that basically concludes my Shiny app. Thank you.